over here. There's 2 guys over there. Let's do this.
Ugh. Shut in the hand. Where's he? Over. No shit, what do you think I'm doing? Going inside the house?
Yeah. If they go.
Fuck all this. Fuck it. It's blurry, dude. It's blurry. Go inside.
There's one upstairs.
Rolly watch? Is Rolly's got. Wait, we have.
One guy over there.
Okay, I got your side. Where's he at? I'm gonna show him from over here. Where's he at, dude? I can't see him.
He's right in the blue crates. I'm gonna have to get out.
Oh, okay. Go for it. Alright, you're covered. I don't know. Rolly's there. Rolly's coming. Rolly's coming. Am I out? Fuck, I might be out. Fuck, switching legs. Yeah, we Gucci now.
Ready?
Yeah. Where at?
Go right.
I'll go right?
Yeah.
Like straightforward right? Win. Fuck, he's up in the roof. He's upstairs. Yeah, he's upstairs.
We have to leave now.
Fucking pen! Fuck, hit! Coming up! Can we start respawn again or no? Really? Almost?
Yeah, so I was shooting at you and the rounds were right in front of you, but you ran back.
I would have got you any fucking time.
Fuck yeah. But I stayed like a little bit again. No, fuck that. I know. Hoorah! Hoorah! Yeah. Rush it! Oh, fuck, hit! Oh. You can spawn how many times you want, right? front store?
Move to the front crate. Go.
Going to your right?
Front crate. Go.
Yo! I'll shoot, you run. Fuck, I was just doing it. Yeah. 2-story, second floor, second floor, second floor. Second floor, second floor, second floor. Victor, go through the trenches. Yeah. Little kid. I need you to run. Can you possibly run to that crate, that blue crate, and the next to it? Can you run for it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go for it. First floor. Bucket. No wonder, I'm out. That was beautiful, honestly, because I made the little kid come with me.
His friend went around. Broly's still upstairs.
We still can go in? How many lives is it? Is it unlimited? I know, it's like bang bang. Shit, bang bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you done or are you gonna go back in? Alright, fuck it.
That was fun, man.
That is, this is fucking fun. Bruh, I wanna do the same shit I did right now.